Hi, Jody Dave down at the allotment. Today, what we're going to be doing today, well, weather-wise it's cloudy but it's warm, so I'll probably have these off. I'll probably empty some of these tatties. Got quite a bit of weeding to do, so we'll do that. One of the main things I'm going to show you is I've had a bit of a failure on the tomatoes. I just wondered why. If you look at the bottom, what, like brown at the bottom. Now I've read up on that and it said it's a lack of water, so I'm going to have to start coming. I've been coming down every other day, even though I know it's been cloudy, it's been holding it down the rain, but I think the stuff in the greenhouse is still drying out quick. So I'm going to have to make sure I come down every day and give them a good watering. You know, the plant will recover. I'll pick off the ones that are like that to throw away, and so if you ever see that on your tomatoes, you know, it's like hard at the bottom, it means you're not giving the plant enough water, and bit calcium deficiency. So today I'm going to give them a good water, I'm going to give them a good feed as well, some Tomorite. Hopefully that'll help. And make sure one of it comes down every night, gives them a good drink, so, and we don't lose any more tomatoes. So I'm gonna have some lunch now, and as I say, I'm then going to dig out some potatoes, go and do some weeding, and so be back soon. So catch you soon. I'll probably give you a tour before I go, so bye for now. We're going to see what my tatties are like. So let's have a look in here. I'll have to get something to dig there up a bit more, because there's more down there. Not going to take. I can't find any more. So, what I'll do, I've got another barrel over there. I'm going to tip this into that other barrel. good. That's the tatties out of that one. Right. Let's do this. I should be out the door. What tight is it then? No, note. This one didn't do well. Oh, this tight shot. There we go. Alright, decent soil there. So, there's a nice load of tatties to take home. Nice load of decent soil. I shall probably get in there when I get it cleared. So I'll put it over there ready. Well, there you go. Nice little batch of potatoes. And with them, nice little batch of peas as well. So get them sorted out and bagged up, and back soon with a bit of a tour. Hi everybody, okay, I'm going to give you a bit of a tour. There's what I've just pulled in today. Peas, broccoli, courgette, potatoes. Up there there's some tomatoes growing. The outdoor ones, I didn't think they would grow, but got them. These are the other ones. As I say, I've had a bit problems with them, but I found out it was due to lack of water. So they've had a good water in, and I'll be in tomorrow before I go to work, a good water in. Take her out to same here. Cucumbers look as though they needed a good water in. Actually, ooh, there's a one growing, a little one. I'd already had a couple off. Peppers at the back. This is growing massive, and that's a chilli plant. That's what's left of my tatties. Nothing in there, but my carrots are growing. Just see them. Yeah, not these little bloody things there, they're weeds. That's a weed. That's a weed. That's a weed. There's the carrots. It's a weed. So that's them. Peas. Let you fall into it. It's getting that full of them. Still more on them. I've just been picking some off and eating them. Right. In here, my leeks. And these are my beans. If you go under, you can start to see them growing. So they're doing, seem to be doing okay. We dug up all the rhubarb, cut all the rhubarb back, and look at it now. Boom, shoot straight back up. This bed's now out of action. That bed's out of action. Them two beds are finished. I've just got to give them a turnover, and I've got some plastic around there to fit in. Strawberries, they're just sitting there dying out. That soil is what you've just seen before the tatties. I'm going to give this a good clear out, and I'm going to put that soil in here, because this is for next year's garlic. But I've got to get in there and make sure all that bloody bindweed's all thing, so I'll probably have to pull it all up. This bed's I don't know what's happening in this bed. That's a beetroot there. That's a beetroot there. Nothing else in it at the moment. I did put some Swedes in, so that might be a one there. Now this bed, oh, that's where I'm just getting the watercolours from. The Brussels sprouts. The broccoli. You can see where I've cut it from. Courgettes. And if you look in there, I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see, but there's another big in there. Another one there. And yeah, another one there. And another one over there. Oh, well, these courgettes this year. So, not showing you out over there. These clearing. So that's it. Our bed's been successful this year. That's been bed. This bed was successful at the beginning of the year because it got the radishes and that, and turnips. But been a bit slow second part of the year. Maybe we're getting too bloody much rain. But that's doing brilliant. That next year will be this bed, because can't put them back in the same bed. But I don't believe how that's going. So basically that's it. Don't forget, leave a comment, let me know how you think we're getting on. Danny's looking at maybe putting one on TikTok, see if we can get up on there, because you know, would love to get this monetize YouTube, because what money that we could make off it would go straight back into here, you know, because it's a lot we could do, but it's all to do with money, you know. So it's like I could do with some fencing panels. They're not cheap, plus I've got to get them delivered because I don't drive, or I've got to find somebody with a van. So would love to get this monetized. That's why Danny's going to try TikTok, because it seems to be a bit quicker for getting the stuff. So, and we'll put a link to be wish listed on here. Don't like usually say that, but as I say, link me wish list, because I say if we do make anything that we do get or we do make, you know, we'll go for the allotment. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you another time. So bye for now.